Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, very
I'm
good evening.
Sanjeev Mathur from BC Media,
Yeah,
and we are here to cover the Electrama event.
absolutely.
On behalf of BC Media, I would like to welcome Kirti Vohra, Marketing Director of Galaxy,
Yes, thank you so much for having me here.
and we would like to understand from her the product that she is showcasing in the
Yeah.
Electrama
Yes.
and how has been her journey in this organization and with respect to the Electrama.
Mhm.
I understand that she has been a regular participant to Electrama.
Absolutely.
And we would like to understand the way forward that the organization is looking forward to.
Yes, sure. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Basically, we are now a 35-year-old company. We are into cables and conductors. Now, recently we've added cables and conductors. We're doing all range like 11 kV to 765 kV, entire range we are doing.
It's a huge range.
Yeah, it is. It covers everything.
Yeah.
Also, new age conductors like HTLS conductors, and we have AL59. We are PGCIL approved supplier for last more than 17 years. We are supplying to PGCIL as well. So we are a very quality conscious, family oriented business, I would say. But it's mostly right now we are focusing on cables now. And we have a facility which we have started in Nagpur for cables, and we have a facility in Sangli for rods and conductors. Yes, that's the way it is going. Now we are going to diversify into EPC as well, wherein the reconductoring of lines would be coming up.
Yeah.
So reconductoring will be the thing which we are looking forward to.
And how is the workforce connected or aligned in their organization?
Workforce aligned, and see, basically we have an office in Pune and also in Sangli, and we are having, and Nagpur also. So we are having a very young force right now with us who is taking care,
Energetic team.
energetic team, I would say. And of course, the old is never going out of fashion, I would say. They're always required for the experience that they have, they bring in on the table. So yeah, we have a good mix of people with us. We also have like people, when we started 35 years ago, that from then also people are with us, and the new generation people are also with us.
So it's a good mix match of the experience and the fresh
Yes,
blood
the energy that they bring in on the table, that's really good.
and the changing technology that is happening.
Yes.
I believe the teams that you have is already well versed with the trends that is
Yes, absolutely. And they're very, very technically sound, I would say, because our product is definitely requires that technicalities to be understood and worked upon. So
constant
yeah.
innovation.
Yeah, innovation is required, definitely.
So then with the team that you have, and then do you have a quality control team or quality assurance?
So of course, that's like the basic thing that we need. Because
So
without
they,
that,
they are based out in each of the units?
yeah, every unit would have that.
Uh-huh.
And it has a comprehensive all the equipments and everything. And they are like 20 years old. They have worked in ERDA. They have worked with so many other laboratories, and they have like now come with us. And we have a very comprehensive and deep knowledge people with QC, because QC happens in every stage of the
Right,
product
production
manufacturing.
stage.
Yes.
That's the reason I was slightly perturbed as to where is your quality team actually pitching it.
Yeah. At every stage of the production, yes, they do. And also, we have lot inspections, basically.
Okay.
So every lot is being inspected by a third party or a utility, whoever is taking the material. And then that time, our entire team helps them for that. And we have all the equipments for it. Yeah.
So the process control, the processes, standard operating processes are very well
Absolutely.
designed and very well implemented.
Has to be ISO, so it's a minimum requirement, also PGCIL and export-oriented things. So, yeah.
And any for future plans of expansion?
Expansion, yeah, it's going on. I mean, right now is the time. I would say I think power industry is looking at a very, very good time right now. Whoever has survived till now, they're going to fetch the fruits, I would say.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So surviving till now is
Slow and steady has been would
Yes.
been the way, right?
Absolutely,
Yes.
absolutely.
The expertise.
Absolutely. So it's been a great journey. Being a doctor on one side, I find myself quite comfortable in this industry, being very organized sector. and like, you know, we are supplying like all blue chip companies, I would say. Kalpataru hai, Reliance hai, JSW hai, we're doing with Adani and everybody. So it's quite a very comfortable place for me to, even being a non-engineer person, I could get in very well and I was accommodated quite well. So I'm happy here. Yeah.
No, it's an interest also that has paved way for you to be standing.
Basically, Marwadi हैं तो you know वो खून में होता ही है. I would say the business is in the blood, so I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah, kind of exposure I've got. Very nice.
It was nice talking to
Yes,
you.
same here. Same.
And on behalf of VC Media, I would like to thank you.
Thank you so
And I
much.
wish this Galaxy to be really on a top in the
Yes.
coming.
You might see an IPO coming up in maybe in a year or two max.
All right, that's good news for the viewers.
Yeah.
Keep investing in the Galaxy products, and then see the fruits that turn out from them once you buy the Galaxy products. And on that note, I would like to conclude my interview. And thank you so much for
Thank you. Pleasure.